Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how do I know if my Android phone is unlocked. So let's get right into it. Head over to your settings application and go for screen lock and type. And here, as you can see, I have my screen lock type password. It means my phone will be locked when I don't use it for a certain amount of time, and I need to open it via password. So there can be several systems like biometrics and password and pattern too, and there can be no lock too. So if you want to change it, you can just go over there and change it from here. Hope this video will help you out, and this is how you can get to know if your phone is unlocked or locked. We will see you in the next one.